Hello, we are come from CERT, the Center for Research and Technology in Hellas, and we are here to showcase Social Sensor. Social Sensor is an EU-funded project that processes, collects and aggregates big streams of social data to discover trends, events, happenings and enable users to stay on top of it, on top of emerging trends, to discover influencers and to be able to know the social sentiment with regards to a news story, a brand or an event. So, for journalists, for example, Social Sensor is a tool that enables them to be the first to find emerging news stories, to capture the social sentiment around the news story that they are looking for. And what's more important and even more innovative is that they're able to assess the veracity of this shared information. Because as you know, social media tend to revolutionize the way we know press, either printed or electronic. So it's very crucial in this world to know how credible is your source. So the tool that we offer provides also this possibility with a credibility score with which the journalist can decide whether or not to share a story. Moreover, he can discover related multimedia content, videos, images coming from Facebook, Twitter, Flickr, YouTube, Instagram, all the famous social networks, and do actually quality journalism. On the other side, with rich interactive maps, mobile-to-mobile video streaming and sharing, 2D and 3D maps with geolocated social information and other related information, event attendants have the opportunity to become more empowered in an event. They have the opportunity to participate, to create their content and shape trends. And on the other side, the organizer is able to harness the power of digital communications. The organizer, with the data that we offer him, has what we call social intelligence and is able to do real-time responsiveness, to monitor an event, to see what do people talk about, to discover positive and negative topics, as well as know the influencers, know what are the pictures or videos that people share the most with regards to his event or his brand, and be able to use this information to improve his marketing initiatives. Moreover, the event organizer is able to interact more with the user with the social media walls platform that we provide by urging them to be part of an event, co-create, and crowdsource information for the user to create better experiences. So, on the one hand, he's able to capture the pulse of large events to feel the vibe, and on the other hand, he's making his attendants to feel more empowered and more engaged to an event, and therefore create better events and enhance the event experience. So we come from CERT, the Center for Research and Technology in Hellas. It's the largest research center in northern Greece. Our team, the multimedia team, has a very strong expertise and academic background on multimedia knowledge, semantic web technologies, multimedia and social media analytics, and recently big data analytics and mobile applications. We have an excellence in our research, and so our team, the Multimedia Knowledge and Social Media Analytics Lab, has a strong research background on multimedia knowledge, on big data analytics, mobile application and semantic web. We have very extensive experience on projects, and we advance the state of the art in research and are very good at what we do. So we hope to bring all these solutions that emerge from the Social Sensor project available for the public and commercialize our solutions in a project that we're working on. We're working on a startup. Its name is Symphalia, and its mission is to provide to our customers web and mobile tools to turn big data into intelligence. We hope to bring our solutions commercialized very soon in the coming months, and are very happy about it because we believe there is a great future in big data analytics, and we believe that we have to offer something more, something innovative and pioneering with regards to the existing market. Social Sensor is an EU-funded project where researchers and companies across Europe collaborate to create an innovative platform to turn big data into intelligence. Partners in the project include IBM from Haifa, Yahoo Labs from Barcelona, many universities from Germany and the UK, such as the University of Koblenz, the University of Klagenfurt, the Robert Gordon University and the City University of London. Alcatel is also another partner of the project, and Athens Technology Center in Greece. The project is coordinated by the CERT, the Center for Research and Technology Hellas. Dr. Yannis Kovatsiaris is the project manager, and it's a 3-year project, currently on its 3rd year, finishing on October 2014.